Happy siya, marami siyang friends. Tommy! Stop mo muna siya dito. Tommy, you can honk the horn. Does it beep? No. Can I see? Can I see? This one, Beo? Ah, no, it's not. It's not beeping. Okay, off you go.
Look at the side mirror.
Use your side mirror, babe, before you move backwards. I-bump mo siya sa balloon. Yeah, she likes it. He wants to be a car driver. Dami na nila. Dami na nila.
Ba't ka naman itong meron niya?
Ah, sige. Sabi niya, that's enough.
That's enough. Anong that's enough yung pag-ayos?
Pag-ayos niya lang yung sombrero. She likes na ang bad boy, bad girl siya.
Siya nga lang ang babae, ginagapitan siya.
Siya lang girl.
Bakit? Sabi ko, Berta.
Binideo ko because she has a lot of friends na nagda-drive. Gusto niya nakikipag-race siya, tay. Gusto niya competition. Competitive yung anak mo sa pag-drive, ah. Hindi, kuya. Nung ako, bumpy ako mag-drive, di pa ako sanay.
Nangangapakat.
Down the street in my car. Sana nga kung dire-diretso pa mas malaki. Okay. Driving on a May sinasabi siya. May sinasabi siya, tay. Sabi niya, oh dear. Siguro ganun yan. Oh, wait. She got stuck.
Oh dear, dear. Partner? What happened?
What happened?
Do it.
Got stuck.
Parang may nanay yung namuhot.
No more battery.
May battery.
It's no longer working. Parang ang bagal na nga niya, tay.
Kaya di ba may na-remote? Di ba may na-remote?
kaya pala. Chami, that's enough. You say, Chami, you say bye-bye na to the car.
Tanong mo siya kung gusto
I-park mo na, tatay. Park mo na. Sabihin mo lang, time na. Ano naman yan, te, pag time? You want more?
You want more?
Want more?
You want more?
Let's go na, it's time.
10 minutes? 12 minutes more?
5 minutes more?
Huh?
You want more 5 minutes? Yeah, okay. Huh? Don't you want to go off the car? Let's go.
Sammy, you want to change car? The big one?
You want to change that big car?
The big one?
O sige, the pink
The
car na
car
lang.
is low but
The car is low bat. She really likes the pink one, ate.
Change lang natin ang battery.
Oh, Sammy, change the battery.
Change the battery ka man. Saan ba yun ako yan?
Yeah, you have to change the battery, Sammy. Because the car is low but. Oo.
O sige na, that one.
Tingnan mo. How will it run? Oh, because the car is low but.